guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are unboxing the Luxury Divas box for October. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into the box. Okay guys, so welcome back. As I said, we're opening up the Luxury Divas box for the month of October. If for those of you don't know, Luxury Divas box is a fashion and accessory box. It's $30 a month, and I'll put a $5 off coupon for anyone who's curious and trying this out. If this is the first time that you're trying the box, you don't have to commit to a monthly subscription. That's what I love, because there's so many options. You can just get a one-time box and still you can save the $5. If you use a coupon code Lynette5, again, that'll be that information for LD box will be in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. But love this box. I got this as a birthday gift in the beginning of this year from my husband, and I strayed away from it for a couple months. But I'm back, so let's get into the box. I've been back for a couple of months and I'm super excited. So again, this is curated actually for you. So you actually get to decide what's gonna be in your box. You give them the options and preferences and stuff. You have a beauty profile, and they kind of dive deep and dig into your box to see what would be a match for you based on your beauty profile. So every month it comes in a box like this, and you actually get a personalized note from someone who puts that box together. This month for me, I have Ariel. I don't think I've ever had Ariel do a box for me, so I'm super curious to see what she got for me. So this one says, "Hey Lynette, this month's accessories box is such a treat. Your collection was my favorite so far. Autumn air calls for fun, loose layers and beanies. I'm obsessed with Slouchy beanies. This the crystal stone earrings add a classic sparkle to any ensemble. Hope you love it all. Best wishes, Ariel." So thank you, Ariel, for putting the box together for me. And then they give you like a little booklet on some things that you can get from their site, because you're not committed to just getting a subscription box. You can get anything from the store, and again, you can use that coupon code on anything, so it doesn't have to just be what's in a box or tied to the box. So that is what that looks like there. And they have their Luxury Divas little wrapping paper here, so we're gonna open this up together to see what came in the box. So this, okay, so just off the bat, you get a breakdown of what's in your box. So for me, you guys can see that there. I have the value of my box, and their theme this month is called Autumn Air. The total retail value of my box is $129, and we have like a description of everything. Totally not gonna look at it because I kind of want to keep that a secret. Okay, so the very first item I'm having, and I'm really happy because I love this color. Okay, so this is mauve plus top with pockets. So this says, "Just in time for the cooler weather, this beautiful top is the perfect weight for the season. Not too light, not too heavy. With your new top, take your fall ensemble from something simple to something special by adding accessories." This one is a retail value of $29, and I know that you guys are probably not going to be able to see what this one looks like here, but because, you know, I'm not going to throw it on really quick, but I'll show you the picture so you guys can kind of get the gist of it. So this is what it looks like, and I love the 3/4 length. I think that's what it is. I just love the half length sleeves because I'm in Texas, so it doesn't really get hot here. It gets hot for a minute, but I'm from New York, so it doesn't get hot. It doesn't get cold. I mean, it doesn't get cold down here at all. Not like New York. So this is what it looks like here, and it's long and it's flowy on the bottom. So I like it. I love this color. You guys did awesome. Let me show you what it looks like in the picture so you can get a better idea of what it should look like, and that's definitely off the bat, just paying the $30 that I pay on a monthly basis, that was worth it. So Ariel, you already got my vote. I'm loving the box so far. Okay, so that's one. And they always give you like a candy for this one. Every month is different. This one is obviously the Halloween theme. So we have some candy corn there, and I love candy corn, so I would definitely be stashing that away for me. And oh, this is cool. They gave us a bracelet for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so we will definitely be using that also. And let me see, anything else that's flowy here that I don't see? Okay, let me see. I'm trying not, okay, totally trying not to look, but we look. All right, next item here we have, let me see what is in this little bag. Okay, so we have a bracelet. So the bracelet is here. I was trying to get the description so I can share with you guys. So this one is a Byzantine link sterling silver plated bracelet, and I love Byzantine. Oh my gosh, seriously, I have to definitely let them know they did awesome with this one. Okay, anyway, digress. Or go back, focus on that. Jewelry with substance, the sterling silver plated Byzantine style bracelet is a fabulous addition to any jewelry collection. The intricately detailed link of this bracelet allows it to be worn as a special everyday piece for more formal occasions. This has a retail value of $20, and I love their jewelry pieces. They're so different, and I love it. All right, and then the next item we have here, I'm not gonna take it out the pack. Well, I will, you know. I'm trying not to waste time. I like to get in and do these videos so you guys can see if it's worth it. That's the reason why I started this channel. I definitely wasn't into subscription boxes, but I'm totally hooked, so you know, I'm here. And then the next item we have here is earrings. I'm trying to get them, there we go. So that is what that looks like there, and this is sterling silver plated crystal stone earrings. This has a retail value of $20. A singular brilliant sparkling crystal is nestled within each teardrop, framed within polished sterling silver plated. These exquisite dangles featured a lever back closure for an easy on and off Lynette read. Okay, so that is cool. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And then the next item we have here is a black Mohair Slouchy beanie cap. And I actually saw another YouTuber, Abadaz, my girl. Well, not my girl, I don't know her, but I know her. She's like a friend in my head. You ever know anybody like that? She's a friend in my head. So Abadaz she put this on. So this is a black Mohair Slouchy beanie cap. This has a retail value of $20. You could have gotten this in black, red, brown, ivory, and navy. So this is one of those big beanies, and I love this because, like I said, it doesn't get cold here, but if I throw on a hat, I can just use a sweater and I'm good to go. So this is a classic ribbed knit, furthers the casual elegance of the versatile slouchy beanie hat designed to perfectly frame your beautiful face. So actually, I'm gonna do it Abby right now. So I'm gonna put this on and see. What do you guys think? I know that has a slouch in the back. Okay, so what do you guys think here? I think that's right. Let me see. And I used to use hats like this all the time in New York, but they were always like so tight. This one, I'm digging it. What do you guys think? Let me know. All right, so we're gonna leave it on because I know I'm sure how to take it off and it'll be all messed up. Okay, the next item we have here is cream and black tassel. No, that's wrong. Lynette, you're reading the wrong thing. Okay, so this is fuzzy white LD boot socks. These have a retail value of $10, and we're gonna take it out and see. Oh guys, these are like that soft cotton, fuzzy cotton that you try to, you know, you have to pay a lot of money for. So this is super cool. I'm definitely excited about this one. This is treat your feet with these Ultra Plus boot socks. Unlike other fuzzy socks, our version is designed to be worn with shoes, sneakers, and also boots. Luxurious soft. Each pair features our exclusive LD plaque. So where would that be? Probably at the top, but I'm definitely happy for those. I literally don't have slippers usually. I just walk around in these socks. So you guys did good because I can replace the ones that I have. And then last but not least, we have a purse. So that is what it looks like there. So it has like a little tassel, and that's kind of what I started reading. And then inside is black and white, and it has like pockets. Let me take that out. So this is one of those like crossbody purses where you put like that. So we're good to go. That is what that looks like. So let us talk about this one. This is $20. So this one is cream and black tassel crossbody bag. Bold tassels are front and center of this square shaped crossbody bag made from vegan leather. This remarkable bag comes in a slim line designed to hold the essentials without weighing you down. Features a pinstripe interior and adjustable shoulder strap. So I love these kind of purchases because, you know, when you go to the movies and stuff, you kind of don't want to walk around with anything, but you can't not walk around with a purse. So this is perfect. So I like it because it's black and cream. So you can wear it with a dark outfit or a light outfit and it matches either way. So let us do a recap and see what we got. So we have the hat, we have that, and then we have our purse. And then we received our earrings that I put back in the bag. And we received, oh wait, that was the bracelet. We have our bracelet. And then we have our earrings, got that. And then what else did we get? What else? The hat. And I said that already. And then we have our shirt. So again, and then of course we have the candy and the bracelets, but those are bonuses. Those are not a part of your package. So what did you guys think about all the items in this bag? Was it worth it for you? Did you get the LD box? Are we box twins? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. I think it was definitely worth it. I can see myself using everything that's in this box, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you think. And again, if you guys love subscription boxes or you love reviews, definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another video. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys.